and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen that natural gas is trading at a level of $2.675. Okay, and if you look at this particular chart, it is moving in a zone of $3 to a zone of $2, and this is at a level of around from, you can say, Jan of 23rd in the third week. That is, the price is moving in this zone. Okay, otherwise if you have looked at previously after 2022, we have seen a lot of volatility. Okay, the factor that has affected the volatility in the natural gas is Fed was continuously increasing the rate, USD dollar getting strengthened, and the third is the war situation. That is the important thing. Okay, why? When the war situation was there between Russia and Ukraine, the supply have impacted, import and export being affected. That is where the price was so much in the fluctuation. Okay, and if you look at this particular chart, there is a gap pending. Okay, gap at a level of 4.1 to a level of 4.35. so if the price comes close to this level, chances of hitting this particular level is on a higher side. Okay, so look at this particular chart. Before we move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I have given in the description. You can join that too. See, this is a U pattern is forming. After that, this particular U pattern, what it says that once started sustaining above a level of $2.56, chances was very high it can go further upside. Okay, and it has sustained this level. I have already explained you in my previous videos also. Okay, so if this level sustain more, because it is already above a level of $2.56, okay, so you have to keep it in mind. If the price sustaining this level, we can see it can go further upside. Suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go towards a level of $2.705. Okay, and if the price move above that particular level, it can go towards a level of around 2.770. okay, so once the price sustain above $2.770, chances of touching a level of 2.897 is there. Okay, and I've already told you that if price comes close to this level, chances of hitting a level of 3.053 is there, because this is the high of this particular zone. So this is the high. So once started sustaining above $3.05, then chances of going further upside is there, and then we can see a level of $3.094. okay, and if the price sustain above that level, it can cross that particular zone and can go towards a level of $3.321, and if that level sustain higher, then we can see it can go towards a level of $3.402. okay, now once the price sustain above $3.420, then we can see a level of $3.568, and if that level sustain higher, then we can see it can go towards a level of 3.751, and if the price sustain above this level, chances of going further upside is there. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, okay, because the market is always uncertain, you cannot say that the market can go sharp rise or sharp fall till the time there is no big event is coming. Okay, so now suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, what you can see, if this level didn't sustain, it can move further low towards a level of around $2.656. okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, chances of touching a level of around 2.614 is there. These are the two support if the price didn't sustain. So once it fall below that particular level, then chances of touching a level of around 2.560 is there, and if that level goes further down, then yes, a probability you can touch it can touch a level of 2.513. These are the support you have to understand, because once the price sustain this support, so we can see a bounce back can come from the support, but if it moves below this level, it can go further low, and we can see it can touch a level of around $2.428. okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of around 2.328, and if the price fall below that particular level, it can go further low towards a level of around $2.249. okay, now suppose if the price fall below that level, then we can see it can go further low, and a probability of touching $2.191 is there, and once the price goes below this level, then yes, you can say it will come in the bottom of this particular zone. So chances of touching a level of 2.072 is there, and once it started moving below this zone, because that is already being a weak support, so chances are high. It might feel you that I'm telling you most of the digits, because you have to understand that market is always uncertain. You cannot rely on a big, because it is moving in a zone of $2, $3. So probability, you have to see that you have to book your profit. Okay, if it is coming on the support, so chances of going further upside will be there, a bounce back. Or if it moves below, then you have to understand that once the profit comes, you have to book it. Okay, once started decreasing to a level of, see, suppose if you are on something about a profit that is 100%, if it draw down to 80%, that exit the trades, because that is how you have to save your capital. So once it fall below a level of 2.047, chances of touching a level of $1.951 is there. From there we can see a level of $1.82. If the price fall below that particular level, we can see it can touch a level of around $1.641, and if that level didn't sustain, it can go further low. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go a thumbs up. If new to my channel, subscribe. Thank you.